Hello everyone. Today, we'll walk through setting first and last elements for entry motion in 4-axis wire EDM open contours. We'll be using the Cut X350 machine, starting with XY geometry selection. First, select your geometries, then enable Open Curves have approx, retreat, remove. This automatically detects entry and exit points. Next, repeat this for UV selection. Same option, same workflow. Now, open the wizard. Navigate to the parameters page. Input your values, calculate, and confine. With everything set, run a simulation to verify your toolpath. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wire EDM tutorials. Thanks for watching.